Good morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga, and in this video I am going to talk you class 8 Computer Science and second chapter, that is the cascading style sheets, day 3. In the previous class I have already talked to you about CSS and so many advantages and how it is superior than the HTMLs. I have also talked to you the CSS syntax, mean to say CSS framework structures, how actually we are writing in which design. And in this video I will talk to you about the text properties. So whenever we are writing the web page, we have the facility of formatting, and through this formatting we can design our text according to our one choice. One is that is by default, and the second things we can do addition, we can do the change according to our choice. So through the text properties we can able to change the text properties. Say as the text colors, initially it is by default text color is black and white, but we can change its colors according to our choice. If we want to text as a blue, then we can put here value blue, we can put here value black, red, orange, yellow, whatever we want we put here value. So options at the place of values we put the colors name, and either we can also put the RGB modes, mean to say red, green, blue modes, or hexadecimal codes. We have also provided the codes. We simply put at the place of values the code, and automatically that color would comes. So this is the text colors. Next one is text align. We can also do the alignment of the text according to our choice. Either we can align the text from left side, so that is the left alignment. If we are doing the alignment from the right side, that is the right alignment, and from the center, that is the center alignment, and left and right, that is justified. So according to our one choice, we put here the value, which choice of alignment we want, and accordingly we can able to align the text. Next one is text decoration. We want to decorate the text more effective. We again put here the value. We put here value either the underline. Say one of the term is written here, and that is the computer, and we want to write a bold line under the computer. So we have to choice do the underline. So underline is coming, outline, line through, blink, and none. So like that we can do the text decoration so that it becomes more effective. So this is the text properties, and again this is the font property. Font is the way of writing, how actually we are writing the text. So that is the font. So we have again the values, that is the font face. In font family we can able to choose any type of font. Either we want to write in cursive writings, and in normals, and swans in Devanagari. So we put here the values, say as the Times Romans, Arial, like that. This way of writing is coming here, so that it becomes more effective, impressive, and it's maybe eye-catching, look like very beautiful, good appearance. So we can do here according to our choice. Again, font styles. In font style we can able to change. Either we put the italic or oblique fonts, put here the values. Again, font size, which size we want. So again we put here the font size value. Either it may be XX small, XS small, medium, and XX large, X large, large, like that. So which type of size we want, we put here value. Again the font color, if we want to change the font color, Again we put the value of the colors, either we want to red, green, blue, yellow and orange. So this is the font properties, and today I have learned about the text property, font property, so that's we makes our text and font more impressive, so that it's look like good. So generally we people are utilize this cascading style sheets whenever we are designing the web page. So how was this video? You have to give me the comments so that I can improve you. Okay, thank you.